Hey there, if you are signing in, it's because you're encountering problems using your Apollo interface from Universal Audio in conjunction with iShowU HD. You're getting weird sounds from your microphone, maybe some delayed, duplicated sounds from any audio you record from other software, other applications. And let me show you what I've discovered in terms of the fixes. The microphone I know I have figured out. Go into your console application to control your hardware, and just make sure you mute the channel that the audio is coming in on. So here's what it sounds like when I unmute it. So it sounds kind of weird, and you can't know this unless I tell you, but when I mute it, it disappears from my headphones listening to my voice. I can't hear myself anymore in my headphones. So that if you hear yourself, that's a cue that there's a problem. So I leave my headphones on just so that I know while I'm recording if I can anticipate a problem with my microphone or with any application audio. So this is going to be just a single beat of a bass drum and something. As soon as I hit the space bar, it's going to play. We should just hear one click. Let me zoom in just a little bit. Oh, shoot. There we go. So when it hits measure 2, you're going to hear this boom. Okay, so I heard a boom. So I think that means you heard 2 booms, like a goom, something like that. So here is what I think the fix is. Inside the iShowU HD software, just make sure this monitor audio is unclicked before you start the screen recording, and that will fix it. I can't change it on the fly. Once you start recording, it goes with whatever you selected. So that is the fix for that. I hope you guys find this helpful. If you ever want to confirm your audio settings, a quick way to do that is hold down Option and to click on your speaker, and you can see the settings. So in this instance, we have Soundflower for both. Inside the Logic settings, preferences, audio, Soundflower. So that's everything we got. I hope this is helpful and helps you guys get your delay problems figured out, because this was really frustrating for me. All right, I hope leave some comments if you guys have other ideas, or if this solves your problem, let me know, as sometimes it seems like I have it figured out, sometimes I don't, especially in terms of recording application software. All right, see you guys. All right, this is a real quick part 2 to the video. So you'll see that before I started recording, I unselected monitor audio. Let's go back to our session and click play. That time in my headphones, I heard nothing, so I'm expecting that it solved the problem. All right, that's it. See ya.